Welcome back to PE Week 6. Coach Lavin, glad to be back with you in Coach's Corner. Kind of a big corner today outside. Just talking a little bit about your health. One thing that physical activity does for you is it produces some chemicals in your brain that help make you feel better when you're feeling sad or stressed or angry or something like that. Also, being outside in the sun helps do that. So get outside, do some physical activity. All right, helps with your feelings, doesn't make everything all the way better, but it does help with getting some chemicals to your brain to make you feel a little bit better when you feel angry or stressed or sad. Go get some physical activity outside today. Our targets this week include reviewing underhand tossing and talking about overhand throw. So remember, with underhand toss, you're going to face your target. You're going to swing, step, and toss. Which foot do you step with? Do you remember? I like the word that starts with the letter O. Face your target, swing, step with your opposite foot, and toss. For underhand tossing, last week your question in Google Classroom had to do with your feet. Most of you got the right answer. It is to make sure you step with the opposite foot. So this week, one of your assignments is to teach somebody how to do an underhand toss. So find a family member, get a ball, sock ball, paper ball, whatever you can use, and teach them how to do that. You could demonstrate it for them and then watch them do that to make sure they are facing their target, swinging their arm, stepping with opposite foot, and tossing. So teach someone how to do that this week. Hopefully you had a chance last week to take a walk or jog with a family member. If not, the weather this week looks really good. Great time to take a walk, enjoy the cooler weather, and get a family member involved with you. Have a great week. Let's get ready for our warm-ups. We'll do all 3 types of jumping jacks first. Ready to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Seal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skier jumps. 10 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't forget, when you're working on push-ups and plank, to try to get your muscles tired, remember, do the exercise, rest a little bit, do it again, rest a little bit, do it again. So just to review, push-ups, if you're just working on holding your position, hold that as long as you can, then rest and repeat. If you're doing push-ups, go down as far as you can without falling. Alright, that's all you can do, then just do that. Go down as far as you can without falling, do as many as you can, rest and repeat. If you can go farther, get all the way down as far as you can go. Alright, do as many as you can, rest and repeat. Same thing with plank position. Elbows and toes, tummies up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep going if you can. Rest and repeat. Let's go with our stretches. Reaching down your straight leg. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch legs. Let's go backwards by 2s. 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Legs wide like the letter V. How about backwards by 3s? 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3. Butterfly. Bottoms of your feet together. How about counting forwards by 4s? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Nice job. For our fitness fun today, we're going to do a little coin flipping fun. Coin flipping. All right, that means if I flip it, it ends up on head, round 1. would be a plank jack. I'll show you that. If it ends up on tails, it's going to be raise the roof. All right, and we'll just do 7. Let's do 7 as our magic number today. So I'm going to flip the coin. And it ends up on heads. So we're going to do 7 plank jack. That means get down. All right, elbows on the ground. You're going to do your feet like a jumping jack. 1, 2, 3. From this angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For round 2, heads is going to be skier jumps. Tails is going to be fast feet. And we're stuck on heads again. So we're going 7 skier jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Round 3, this is a good one. Heads is a burpee, 7 burpees. Tails is going to be mountain climbers. Let's see what we get on this one. We are still stuck on heads. All right, so we're going to do 7 burpees. Go down, touch the ground, take your legs out, in, and up. Here we go again. Down, out, in, up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more round. Heads is going to be dips. Tails is going to be up, down, plank. It is heads every time today. All right, dips is like an upside down push-up. Put your hands on the edge of a chair. I'm going to use the edge of this bench. I'm going to bend my arms 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if you want to get your own coin and play that by yourself, I will show you the other exercises. So in round 1, raise the roof. Hands and feet up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Round 2 would be fast feet. All right, 3, you're doing mountain climbers. Hands down, 1 leg in front, and 1 foot in front. Switch them. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 7. And round 4, an up-down plank. If you start on your hands in push-up position, go down to your elbows, 1 at a time. Keep going from hands to elbows. 7 times for an up-down plank. Have fun with that and do 1 more round by yourself. Let's talk about overhand throw. Overhand throw is what we like to do when we're throwing hard or we're trying to get something a little farther. With overhand throw, things to remember for that. First thing you want to do is make a letter T, and I want you sideways to your target. That means my target is going to be that way, all right? Because I like to throw with this hand. So sideways to your target, make the letter T. The arm that you like to use is going to make an L, all right? Bend your elbow. You don't want a V. Don't bring it too close to your head. Get your hand away from your head. Make an L, all right? Next thing you do is step again with the opposite foot. So we're going to step, twist, and throw with a follow through. All right, so you got a T, L, step, twist, throw, and follow through. When you follow through, you want to touch your knee that's in front. That just kind of helps you bring your body all the way through your throw. You can throw a ball. We're going to throw a paper ball today. You could throw a paper airplane. You could do a sock ball still, being careful with that. Just be careful that whatever you use will not hurt somebody or something. I can't wait till the mousetrap game. That's coming up in just a little bit. So remember, with the overhand throw, we're making a letter T, L, bend that elbow. Also make sure your elbow gets up as high as your shoulder. Don't let your elbow sag down here. Get your L up here, elbow high, okay? Get your elbow up high. So we're going T, L, step, twist, and throw. T, L, step, twist, and throw. T, L, step, twist, and throw. Follow through by touching that knee that's in front. Looking good. So one safe way to practice your overhand throwing is with some paper balls. So get 3 or 4 pieces of paper, wad them up into paper balls. I'm using a trash can just to throw at. See if maybe you have some other target you could throw at your house, something that you're not going to hurt. All right, and then you can work on turning to your T, L, make sure that elbow's up, L, ready? We're gonna step with the opposite foot, step, twist, and throw. For those of you that have practiced throwing more, here's what I want you to do. Put your paper balls on the floor, all right? Start out facing your target, just like if maybe I'm playing a game, all right? I'm facing my target till the ball comes to me. Pick up a paper ball, turn your feet sideways, T, L, step, twist, and throw. Pick up a paper ball, turn, all right, step, and throw. Pick up your ball, turn, step, and throw. So this overhand throwing game is called mousetrap. To make your mousetrap, you need a laundry basket, maybe a Kleenex box, empty water bottle, something you can use to prop up your laundry basket or trash can or something else that you can use similar to that. I'm going to use one sock ball. A sock ball is probably going to work better than a paper ball just because it's a little bit heavier. All right, your goal is to see how many points you can score in 1 minute. You get a point for knocking down the Kleenex box, but you also get an extra point if your sock ball stays in the mousetrap after it knocks down the Kleenex box. And you're going to want to be at least 5 steps away from your mousetrap. If you want to challenge, make it more like 7 or 8 steps away from your mousetrap. Are you ready to play? I am. See if you can beat me. We're going to go for 1 minute.
Use into 3, 2, 1.
Woo, 2 points. Don't forget to make your T, L. All right, twist and throw. A few more points, I got 4 points. Yeah, 6 points. Oh. Don't forget to make your T, turn sideways. L. Yeah. 8 points, 8 points. Let's see if we get one more. Yeah. 10 points. See if you can tie me or beat me.